So hello everyone, so in this video let's talk about the BetaFPV Pavo20 and we will try to test this O3 air unit ND filter from BetaFPV as well. So discuss with you this lens protector that I made for the O3 air unit for the BetaFPV Pavo20. Let's go, let's do this flight. Hopefully it doesn't rain because as I look at it, the sky is a bit dark here, although just a while ago it's quite sunny. So let's do this with the Pavo20. I'll be using the Radiomaster Boxer that I modified, as well as these goggles too. Okay, I already charge it up. Okay, can we turn on the lights? Okay, let's see. So we are in ultra wide. I already not used to using a full-size controller. I'm having a hard time now. I like how it is easier to maneuver using the four-bladed props. Although yeah, I think we are having a shorter flight time. Wow, nice flight. The 100 FPS really helps. Because you're seeing a lot of details. Okay, let's go down first. I'm having a low battery signal. Okay, so this is our first flight. Okay, oopsie. Okay. All right, the first flight. I don't want to have any dengue fever. So far the 100 FPS is good. It works very well with the ND8. Although, of course, when you are using the O3 Air unit, you have to use at least ND16. So you could have that motion blur on a very, very bright day. But since we are not flying in 60 FPS or even 30 FPS, the 100 FPS is giving us more. We are we are given a bit more room to play with the shutter speed to around 100 240. Okay, so far so good. Okay, let's do this next flight. Okay, let's do it again. Let's try some cinematic video, very, very slow. Hopefully I'm not bitten by mosquitoes again while doing this. Just try to fly it very, very slow. Cinematic style flying. Wow, there are a lot of flowers from that tree. Oops. Okay, so far so good. Try to do it really low and slow. Okay. Low and slow. Low and slow. Ow! I'm being bitten. My hands. Hold on. I think I need to land first. Ah, fucks. Okay. Fuck. Ah. I am being bitten by a lot of mosquitoes now because of course it's rainy season here in the Philippines. So fudge. I'm being bitten really, really badly. Ah. Okay. That's my cousin. Ouch. Now it's in my neck. My god. Wait. Let's land first. Fudge. Ah. I think I'm bitten 4 times already. It's quite painful because they are quite large. And I'm not able to defend myself. Oopsie. Okay, let's go down. Oh my god. This is a bad experience because of a lot of mosquitoes really are biting me. So far so good. I like how the ND8 filter of BetaFPV works really well. It gives us some motion blur in our video without sacrificing too much of our clarity. And as you can see here, look at this, how it fits really well on this lens protector. I just made it up, and as you can see, it protects the top part and the bottom part of the O3 air unit camera. So the lens is not too exposed on the video, while even though we are in ultra wide, one thing I noticed is when I was in the bench, then the filter gives you a vignette when you are in ultra wide, especially if you are using the onboard video recording. So keep that in mind if you will be using this kind of MD filter from BetaFPV. So you would really notice some vignetting on the sides. But if you want to, there's no way for you to remove it in ultra wide, so my suggestion would be use wide. As long as you use wide, it will not show those vignetting on the side of the lens, so you could capture your videos really well. But if you like some fast-paced flying with some motion blur, the ultra wide is really good with this BetaFPV Pavo20. Actually, I think next week or the following week, I'll be receiving the Solo Good frame, carbon fiber frame. It's a freestyle frame, and we will put this Pavo20 innards, so the flight control and everything, in that Solo Good FI100 frame. So this is a 95 wheelbase, while the Solo Good FI100 has 100 millimeter wheelbase. So we'll try to put this in that freestyle frame, and that's hopefully we could do some freestyle flying with the Pavo20. And as always, see you in the next video. Happy flying. Bye bye.